Reminded me. This is cause number 19-6000386F. That's a third-degree felony. And then we also have 201078886F, and that's a state jail. Both styles, State of Texas versus Carol Corker. Is that you, sir?
Yes, sir.
And Ms. Lee, do you waive arraignment and reading of the state's indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
And Mr. Corker, can you read, write, and understand the English language?
Yes, sir.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial in both of these cases. However, by entering into the deal with the state, you're waiving that right.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand everything you signed?
Yes, sir.
Did you go over everything you signed with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
You've been charged by way of indictment on the third-degree felony with evading arrest, detention with a vehicle. That carries a range of punishment from 2 to 10 years in the institutional division. Then the state jail is a theft of property, which carries a range of punishment from 6 months to 2 years. Knowing what you're charged with and the range of punishment on each case, how do you plead guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Plead guilty because you are guilty and no other reason.
Yes, sir.
Anybody forcing you to do that?
No, sir.
Is there a recommendation from the state?
Yes, Your Honor. State's recommendation in the motion to revoke case is 10 years TDC probated for a period of 4 years. And then the state jail case is 2 years probated for 4 years with a $1,000 fine and their standard probation conditions.
Is that your understanding of the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
And you understand by accepting that offer, you're waiving your right to appeal. You'll have no right of appeal.
Yes, sir.
Anything from the state?
In the state jail case, the state offers the state's won. And in both cases, the state asks that the court take judicial notice of the entire contents of its file.
No objection, Your Honor.
State's one will be admitted and the court will take judicial notice of the entire content of the court's file in both cases.
State rests.
And let me go back. I'm sorry, till the state just reminded me, I did not know one of these, the third-degree felony, actually you were placed on probation, 3 years deferred probation. Since that time, the state has filed a motion to adjudicate your guilt. Did you go over that motion with your attorney?
Yes, sir.
And 2 allegations contained in that motion, how do you plead, true or not true?
Sure.
Are you doing that on your own free will?
Yes, sir.
State rest.
State rests.
Yes, I suppose.
Both sides have rest suppose. I will find the evidence sufficient to find you guilty on both cases. I will find you guilty. On the third degree, I'll sentence you to 10 years in institutional division. That'll be probated for a period of 4 years. And then the balance of fine and court cost on that one. On the state jail, sent you to 2 years. That'll be probated for a period of 4 years. And then $1,000 fine along with court cost. You go over the conditions of probation with your attorney.
Yes, sir.
And I know she told you that if you violate any of these conditions, it can be revoked now and still sentence up to 10 years in the pen. You understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. Make sure you follow it, all right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Step out over here, please. Thank you, Miss Lee.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You will